Oh, looks like we have a local artist here in my neighborhood. Be a shame if a property owner rolled over your work. Aw, wasn't even up for a full day. It never happened. Oh, poor bebito. You piece of shit artist. Here we go again. Just like that. And it never happened. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video. If you live in a neighborhood and your house gets tagged, always paint over it as soon as possible. Do not let it sit. Tagging, though not overly destructive, is a very petty crime. And it's just a way of the gangs trying to expand their area of influence in your neighborhood. If you live in a neighborhood and it's covered in tagging, that area is complacent with the crime that's already there. By wiping out tagging, you're stopping as much crime early on as you can. You're letting them know that, hey, we're watching and you're not going to come in. So if you live in a neighborhood and your house gets tagged, paint over it quickly. Report it to the sheriff. Like Elsinore here in the city I live, they have a tag crew that'll come out and paint city property if you live next to that. So just keep in mind, I'll put links down in the doobly-doo. Have a good day.